Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how to rim a Margarita glass the unprofessional way. So, you know, a lot of people, and you can check out the other videos, they use a different technique, but what I do, I wash my hands, and then I get a freshly sliced lime. So see, I've got it here in this little storage container in my bar refrigerator. And what you're gonna do, and actually what I would do, I would pour your margarita in there first. I've already blended it. And you could rim another, you don't have to just rim a margarita glass. You could do any sort of beverage for that matter. Get you a lime, you know, see it's cut up like that. See that lime? Hope it's in focus. Fresh lime. And then you just rub it against the top of the glass. Get you a good amount of lime juice. You can squeeze that in your, if you're doing a margarita or something, you can squeeze that in there, and then if you want to look fancy, you can kind of put it on the side. But I don't care about that, I'm just going to dump it in there. And now this is where the technique's a little bit different. This is how I do it. So like I said, I've washed my hands, but all I do is just get the salt, the margarita salt, and you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find margarita salt. It's very affordable. You can find it at your local liquor store or something like that as well. But see, look at that. And then you can just lick your fingers. There we go. That is how to rim a margarita glass. Possibly the unprofessional way, but I don't know. Comment below. Is this a technique that you would do? Or would you just do like a lot of people do and get a glass without a drink in it, put lime on it, and just dump it in that everybody else has dumped in? What would you do? Comment below and tell me what you think. And be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership. Y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.